for different colors. I have some mangoes here. It's like a detox. So I'm going to be doing a detox. I need it. Detox in like probably a year now. The best way, natural way. So I have some mangoes here, some green apples, have some red apples as well, kiwi. I do have some kiwi, probably about 3 of these, and I have some oranges. I think this is blood orange, I'm not sure. I asked Dan to pick up some blood orange. I don't know what it looks like on the outside, but this is some cucumber. I have 3 of them. I have banana. I'm not using banana. Let me move that out of the way. Definitely not using banana, but definitely lime. I love lime in my juice. And oh, I have some purple kale. Yeah, I do have some purple kale that I'm going to use as well. I'm going to wash these. It's quite a lot. I do have some celery. Yes, do you want to come watch mommy? And some carrots. So, oh, can't forget the beets. I have beetroot. Here it is. A big old beetroot. And what is that? So, ginger. Where's my ginger? Okay. Blueberries, strawberries, and ginger. Can't live without the ginger. You know, we love ginger in Jamaica. We put ginger in almost everything. Lime, when it comes to our juice, we love ginger and lime in it. So I'm going to get started. Oh, we have some watermelon right here. Can't forget about that. I'm going to wash all these fruits. And I'm trying to organize them because I'm doing green, red, and yellow juice. Orange as well. Let's get going. So I'm going to wash them with mild soap because I like to wash my fruits with soap. I don't know why. Especially if I'm going to use the skin because, I mean, they touch them up. They've been all over the place. So I have to wash them with soap. So they're all washed. So I wash them. I'm peeling the oranges. I wash everything. They're all clean. As I said, the ones especially, actually wash all of them with soap. And especially because, you know, they're going to be going in the blender. A lot of them without peeling like the apples. So I can't deal with that. People touch it up. It's been all over the world. Can't play that one. It's my favorite. I love peeling orange. Oranges, they're actually blood orange. They're peeled. So I'm going to peel these. Oh my gosh, I like kiwi. Do you like kiwi? Mm-hmm. Are you looking forward to these juice? Mm-hmm. It's going to be good, right?
Mm-hmm. I like kiwi.
Yeah. I'll save you an extra one. Would you like that?
Yeah. Why do they have hair?
Not sure. That's how God created it. I guess to keep them warm.
Yeah.
That's not needed. My mango. This is my favorite. Mango. Oh my gosh, we eat mangoes a lot. You know, I'm from the Caribbean, so that's what you do. You eat tropical fruits. So I was trying to get passion fruit, but the store that I normally get it at, it was actually out of it. So I have to do without. And also guava. So didn't have any, which is fine. I'll work with what I have. So we're going to start with the green first. Which one do you want to start? Green, red, or yellow?
Red.
Red? Woo. So let's start with red.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Nice time. Like that. Isn't that beautiful?
It smells good.
It's actually beautiful. Smells good. Look good as well. So this is it for my green. Oh my gosh, the watermelon. Totally forgot. So what I wanted to add with this was some spinach or kale, green kale. But Don only picked out the purple kale, so that's going with the red. So this is what I get out of one apple. What did I get? One apple, three kiwis. What else? What did I put in there? 2 cucumber.
And 4 celeries.
And 4 celery. So this is it. Isn't that enough? This is, let me see, about 800 milliliter. It's not that bad, which is about 20 something. Yeah, 20 something ounce. So this is really a piece of ginger to it. Okay, so just a piece of ginger. It's lumpy. It's okay. You don't like it? No?
It just kind of tastes good, but it has like a strong texture.
So for me, I'm going to add a bit of sugar and some lime to it. I'll start doing the carrot and
Mango.
yeah. I didn't want to put all the lime in it because you don't want that lime in your lime. We don't like it like that. So I'm just going to do the carrots and the mangoes, and then I leave the red for the last just because the beets stain a bit. So let's start carrots. More carrots, but I don't think this is enough. So that's the mango. I think I needed to add something more. A piece of ginger. Add some apple to that. Wrong. It needs a bit of lime. I didn't add lime to that one.
I squeezed lime
And sugar. You're going to taste the fullness because I'm going to add a bit of lime and sugar to that one. You don't like it?
It's okay.
Watch, let me add some more stuff. You're going to like it. I'll put a bit of strawberry. I think that's it for the orange juice. I'm just going to add some lime to it. It's still leaking.
Oh, not even.
And then I'm going to pour it out in a cup. You want to taste this one?
Yeah.
There's no sugar in it, so taste that one.
Mmm. It tastes pretty sweet. Like this one tastes good.
You like that one? Because I put the lime. You put the lime in the coconuts. Okay, so let's start blending the final one. Are you ready? This is red juice. Okay, so
You want a blue one?
a blue?
For the blueberry?
No, I should have like put a blueberry with something else, but it's so starting with the blood orange. Do you want to taste the blood orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Cut it in half so that it can try.
Okay.
Under?
Wait, this one and that one. Let me know what you think. Okay. So I see. Okay, so I see where I went wrong. I totally. I was like, there's something missing. There's something missing. Pineapple. Look at my pineapple. I forgot about it, and it's right in front of me. You see these things? You sent them out all for a video and get them prepared, and it's right in front of you, and you forgot. What kind of mess is that? So my pineapple, I totally forgotten about that, to put it with a carrot, because it was meant to be with a carrot and a mango, but that's for another day. Remember earlier about the watermelon, and then I totally forgotten about it. Can you imagine that? Am I getting old? No, I won't receive that memory thing, but anyway, it's right in front of me. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the beet. As I tell you, look at that. So this is the beet. As I tell you, you have to be very careful. So let's start with this beetroot. This thing is so wet and stainy. So I'm going to put the orange in. I'm going to put everything in, like the apples and the strawberry.
Leave one strawberry.
You need some? Should I leave more than one or just one? I'll leave 4. To add all my blueberries to it. Need some?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll use some blueberries. Add the purple kale to it. To add the lime. The lime is going to give it so much flavor. You definitely need to add lime to it, and ginger. That gives it so much flavor. It's so good, ridiculously good. So for me, I'm going to add a bit of sugar for taste. I don't like it to just be, without sugar. Not a lot, probably just like 2 teaspoons. Yeah, I think that should be enough.
Oh, you have the glass?
Guys, to taste this one. Taste it and let me know.
It's good.
Strain it? Yeah, just a little.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to strain it just a bit because all this pulp thing in it, I'm not feeling it. Yeah, it needs to strain. I think I should have put filter. I didn't even know, so I didn't get any. So I'll definitely get some filter for it.
Okay, doesn't this taste like the smoothies they make from Marion? Yeah. Are you using the strawberries? Huh?
Okay, I'm going to put it in this because that seems a bit difficult. So
The capacity is 18 ounces per bottle.
oh, so this is it. So this is the green. Can you guys see? So this is my green juice, my red, and this is the orange. It changes a bit of color because I added some of the red juice to it because it wasn't enough. And yeah, so that's it, guys. And now I'm going to bottle up these tightly, put it in the refrigerator. I have some to drink now, and I'm going to give Don some. And oh my gosh, the children love it. Do you like it, Elijah? Or it's not that bad? What do you think about the juice?
It's okay. I like the purple one the best.
The purple one? But you know what? They drink these all the time. It's just that I put more lime, ginger, and I'll add sugar to it, and that's the way they drink it because this is our juice that we drink on Sundays, so they'll definitely like it. But I kind of do it a little bit less of everything, a little bit less of lime, ginger, and all of that. To add the pineapple peel and do that later or another day. But for now, that's it. I'm done. So I'm going to check in on Dan, see what Dan is doing, because Dan's putting my closet system together. And I'm pretty excited. Not gonna lie. So them here is for the fridge. Going to put them in the fridge. This is so good. I forced them to drink it.
I like the fruit juices.
It's fruit and veg. It's veg.
I want your veg.
Do you like that one? Do you want some? Said no. So Dan and I are going to enjoy this. I'm going to bring it to him. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit.